New Balance have done it again. They've brought a new silhouette to the table, and judging by their past product, it's guaranteed to be a banger. Or is it? Well, we have it here, and we're going to talk about it. We have the New Balance Warped Runner in the Sea Salt Colourway. New Balance have been showing the big brands how to do it, how to bring in new silhouettes. And they've done it with the XC72, RC30, and also the 9060. You've seen quite a few of these collaborations. Now, with the XC72, they blew it out the park.
Damn, cuz!
In terms of the collaborations. The RC30, well, I say within the park, it didn't quite blow it out the park. But the 9060s, the Joe Fresh and other collaborations, they blew that out the park. So what does New Balance say about these trainers? The Warp Runner is brought to life through a combination of exaggerated proportions and minimalist restraint. This new silhouette suggests a sense of fluid motion with the sculpted contours of a full-length fuel cell midsole and an array of wavy accents running an understated knit up. Individual elements sourced from heritage modules are warped beyond easy recognition and incorporated naturally into new design. The Warp Runner is designed to be a style fixture that feels familiar with exploring the outer limits of classic running inspiration. Now, I would say that's kind of right. When you look at these sneakers, you'll think, actually there's a touch of history, there's a touch of lineage, but then you can't quite put your finger on it. Has this weird, is it weird? I don't know, it has this look which is not quite straightforward. My view is, looking at the sneaker ranges across the different brands, this reminds me of the Stella McCartney sports shoe. The midsole alone gives off that vibe. If you look at that midsole and then you look at the Stella McCartney's midsole, you can see it's got that kind of look. So anyway, you let me know if you feel the same. But also, this sneaker also gives me the vibe of a Tom Cruise Cuban heel. You look at the way the shoe is positioned, the shape of the shoe. There's similarities. Come on. Can
you feel me?
These are £155. Mine and yours hard-earned cash if you want to purchase this. Now, what do you get for £155? Well, you get this long suede. However, looking at the website and looking at the product details, I can't see anything that says it's suede. What I do see that is potentially synthetic. So it looks like suede, feels like suede, this long-haired suede, but it's not mentioned on the site. So it might not be suede. Also, you have the mesh, which is made out of cotton wool, which is nice and soft. It's quite soft to the touch, seems breathable. And then you have embroidery. So if you look at the N, it's embroidered. Now, when I initially saw the pictures for this, I didn't think that the M was embroidered. I thought it was painted on. I thought to myself, kind of looks cheap. But now looking at it in detail, if you get close up, it's embroidered. Also, you get with this is the fuel cell. So this is the proprietary technology that New Balance have on the midsole, give it that extra cushion. Bearing in mind, it's £155. I don't get that feeling of, the blingy bling bling. I don't get that feeling that for £155, I'm getting something that it's a showstopper, head turner. It's worth that £155. But again, this is my opinion. However, the design is in line with what they've said. It is a minimalist design, but also has some complexity. Those contours on the midsole, the outsole itself, that really looks really nice. It's almost like, for example, the best example I can give is the Hyundai Veloster. Now you might not know what that is, but essentially, Hyundai gave you a coupe. Yeah. So you look on one side, you got that one door, you got the sloping. Wow, you got the. Is it a sporty? It's not that sporty. Hyundai and sporty. Okay, you get this look that it's like it's faster than it is. Yeah. So you look on one side, looks like it's faster than it is. It's got the one door, everything looks cool. Go on the other side, get an extra door. And you're thinking, these are what these warp runners look like to me. From one angle, you're thinking, yeah, I can work with this. can work with this. This is really nice. And then you catch it on another angle and you think, huh? £155. And I'm trying to pour it to you about how I feel about this sneaker. So, showed it to my wife. Take it out of the box. Actually, these look nice out of the box, don't they? They look quite nice. Yeah, they don't look too bad out of the box. What do you think? You think it looks nice out of the box?
They look nice out of the box.
Yeah. Same. It looks alright. Actually, don't look too bad. Photos online weren't that great, but there was something about it. So, yeah, let's see how it looks on foot. What do you think?
No, I don't like it.
Size-wise, I would say true to size. And the reason why I say true to size is because there's still got a bit of gap. You might even be able to go one size down because there is some space in the front. And in terms of your width of the foot, it seems very comfortable. You know, don't see many gap. I got these in 9.5, so this is slightly bigger than my size, only because throughout the size range, quite a lot that has been. I don't really want to tell people how to dress, and I won't, because I'm not a fashionista. I'm not one of those people. However, some people might have a view of what do I wear with these sneakers, and to be honest, I kind of was thinking that because just the shape of it is not conventional, so I can see why people might have second thoughts of what they could wear. I'm going to try on a few outfits that might give you some ideas, they might not, but we're going to give it a go. First thing I went to is cargos. Cargos are quite popular. I kind of got into cargos of recently. I know they've been out for a while, but I've got into cargos. So I'm wearing, for the first outfit, my Uniqlo cargos in black with my black hoodie from Zara. So this is a knitted hoodie, very thick and very baggy. So I really like this, especially for the winter time or autumn even. So when you're going out, you don't want to wear a coat, put this on. So second outfit, similar theme, cargo, but a bit more looser. So it's not tapered at the bottom. You can see that left it open. It's not as baggy as some, but it's looser than the previous one. Camel color, similar to the sea salt color. And then I'm wearing a high neck black tee, again from Zara. Don't watch the stomach, yeah, don't watch that. Again, this is quite a nice look, and the sneakers don't look too bad on them. So these are some ideas. You might think other stuff, more baggy. A lot of people are wearing baggy trousers on top of these, which can look good as well. So it's up to you, but these are some ideas. So my thoughts on this sneaker, kind of seen it throughout the video. However, it is a nice looking sneaker. Another thing that kind of I think is a bit much is £155. That's a lot of money. You know, that is not cheap. And for £155, looking at what you get for it, the materials are cool. The materials are good, quality looks good. But as I said, I'm not getting the blingy bling bling. It's not bad. And I think they're going to try and push this out. Already, man like Saka has been wearing it, so that means they've given him a pair. They're trying to push out to celebrities to get them to wear these sneakers. So I think there's going to be a big push on this sneaker and this silhouette. So you can jump on board or wait and see what happens. There are other colorways in the horizon. One in particular of interest is the black with the white N emblem. That looks really nice. So there's signs that actually this has a lot of potential. Anyway, comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe. And like that, I'm gone.